By using the Vivo V15 EMMC ISP PinOUT, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, or reset user data on your device via UFI Box. In this guide, we will also guide you on how to reboot into download mode. Phoneflash repair. Remove pattern lock, screen lock, finger lock in Vivo V15 with UFI Box. You can easily solve with this method if you are a fresher technician or experienced technician in Android software related. If the error occurs of USB not recognized, then your USB is not working. If a battery is not charged, your USB socket will not properly work and you will fail in this method. If any issues, please write your questions in the comment box. I will try my best to help you. What is Vivo V15 ISP PinOUT? ISP means in-system programming. That in-system programming, ISP, allows communication to take place with a target chip without the need to remove it. The main advantage of this method is the possibility to communicate with a target chip EMMC or EMCP bypassing the CPU. It brings higher speed for data extraction compared with JTAG, but it requires great soldering skills. ISP applied to forensics is the practice of connecting to an EMMC or EMCP flash memory chip for the purpose of downloading a device's complete memory contents. Vivo V15 ISP PinOUT image. At first, turn your phone off. You will require to open up the back part of your device. You can do it with the help of tools from your toolbox. Now, disassemble the motherboard and disconnect it from the battery and camera. Then, you have to locate the EMMC chip and open the steel case. It's also known as the ISP PinOUT method. After opening the case, you will see some small square-shaped boxes on the board. Take the UFI Box adapter, and you will see it has 6 round hole points named CMD, CLK, Data 0, GND, VCC, voltage supply for core, 3V, VCCQ voltage supply for IO, 3V. You need to discover the same 3 points in the EMMC chip of your motherboard. You can find them among the square-shaped box I have mentioned earlier. You may take help from Google to figure them out. In this step, connect the 3 round points of the UFI box to the exact 3 square-shaped boxes, like DAT0 to DAT0, through soldering jumpers. Wrong wiring may damage the UFI box. Then, connect the motherboard to the battery and join the adapter to the UFI box. Next, connect the UFI box to the computer. Vivo V15 repair dead boot, or any brand phone. You need 2 dongles. Best in the market. One is Easy JTAG Plus, and another is UFI Box. Both are best in the market. Those boxes help some phones after flashing the wrong firmware not show booting on screen. This you need those boxes for boot repair. Some brands, not possible lock remove like a pin, pattern, password, FRP, and MDM lock. This really supports for remove locks. How to remove Vivo V15 FRP lock using UFI dongle. Check Direct EMMC, ISP. Then click on Identify EMMC. Connect your Vivo V15 to the PC via a USB cable. Head over to the PC and open Device Manager. If your device is located there, run the UFI Box. Go to User Area part. Now click on Special Task, Vivo Master Clear Wipe Data Only. Now click on Special Task, Clear FRP Lock. Done.